morning, y'all. It's about almost 5:40. Just turned 5:40. Meeting Carlos down here at the end of the road. It's just gonna be me and him today. It's about 66, 67. Feed times ain't very good, but weather's pretty nice, so we'll see what happens. Carlos was out here scouting yesterday. He saw some pretty decent sign and saw some pretty good tracks, so we're gonna check a couple different spots of the property. Been out to the back, he's been out to the front, so we're gonna check all the spots. And it's been really dry out here, so probably go to more of the more bottom areas where the holds more water, kind of more swampy area like you've seen in some of the videos. So I'll be checking back in with y'all here shortly. So this is one of the trails where Carlos had seen a bunch of sign. We're just kind of creeping through here. Carlos is about to let out a couple of his dogs out. See if they can't trail something up, bait something up. Nice morning. Just had Willow and Sticks sound off. They jumped off, cut off to the right. They're in there about 250, 260 yards. They definitely wanted something. Willow and Sticks are caught 480 yards. Really no good way to get to them. We're going to have to bust through all these woods. I'll check back in with y'all here shortly. 150. Be careful. Catch him, catch him, catch him. Catch him. Catch him, Sticks. Catch him, Sticks. Catch him. Catch him, son. Go ahead. So that was Sticks and Willow with the find. They are about 515, 530 yards, give or take. They actually had that sow caught for about 10, 11 minutes. We got there and they were baying it. Carlos told them to catch and they caught, and you can see in the clip, got the hog tied up, and that was about that. So we're gonna push up here to another portion, a little bit more of a lower bottom area that tends to hold water, and see if we can get something caught up. So I'll check back in with y'all. Come here, Yellow. Come here, Yellow.
All right. No, I need help.
It's gonna get a little confusing, but Sticks pulled out. He winded a couple hogs and they rallied on him. Long story short, one of the boar hogs went into this lake behind me, and Carlos dumped Yella and a little bit, and they were catching it out here in the middle of this pond. Hank came in, he was catching too, so Carlos took off his boots, Garmin, everything else, and jumped in the water, as y'all can see in the video. I had to stop the footage and stop the camera because I had to go in there and pull the hog out with Carlos. So we're all wet. Take off our boots and all my Garmin and everything else to get this boar hog out. Carlos went swimming. He's over there about to wring out his jeans. I'm trying to wring out mine. And this is the boar hog. Pretty decent boar hog. Oh yeah. So after we got that boar hog out in the pond, Sticks relayed. After that rally, he's 0.7. We're trying to close the gap. It shows that he's caught. I'll check back in. Come in. So the cur's caught out. I was trying to get to Carlos with some.
Backup. Got a rope?
Yeah.
Hold down.
Nice Al. All right, we switched it up. We tied her mouth shut and carrying her out here. So it's about 10:30. Just leaving this spot here with Carlos. Overall, it was a pretty good hunt. Caught that pretty good boar hog, 2 sows, and we're just leaving now. Carlos got a phone call from Shane, and he trapped a nice sow, or a couple sows in the trap. Long story short, there's like 3 or 4 boar hogs bedded up right next to the trap. So we're gonna go to another property, see if we can't catch a couple more over where Shane has access. So stay tuned, and hopefully we can get some more action, get some more hogs tied. I'll check back in. So we're about to pull up to Shane's spot here and go check out this trap. I got Carlos in front of me, and hopefully get a couple of boar hogs caught. They've been lingering around this trap with these sows in there, and see what happens. I'll check back with y'all here shortly. Hopefully got some good news and some good footage. So over to the right, about 150, 175 yards is where Shane has the trap, and he's got the sows in there, where these boar hogs are going in there and trying to breed through them. So I got Carlos, he's bringing sticks and willow, and I got Toby on lead, and I got Shane behind me with BB, Carlos's brindle bulldog. So we'll see if we'll get some action here. These boar hogs are pretty big. Pretty sure they're over 200 pounds according to Shane and Carlos. So we'll see what happens. I think the dogs are winning something right now. Pulling on that lead pretty hard. Set the trap. Oh, they're everywhere. Hey, they're everywhere. Yeah. There's like 6. I saw 6. Are you good? You don't have a rope? Good girl, Willow. Hold him, Willow. All right, this was the trap that Shane was talking about. I think there's about 10 in there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think there's about 10. Nice boar hog right there. All right. These are the 2 caught with dogs. That other spotted one in there with that big boar hog was caught with the dogs. Big boar hog was in the trap. And the rest of these gilts and small boars were in the trap. A lot of bacon in here, folks.